In this video, we will show you how to change Google Maps voice from your smartphone. First, you can click your Google Maps. This is Google Maps application. Then you can click your profile icon here and choose settings. Then you can scroll down and select navigation settings. Okay, please click this. And in here, you can change the voice of your Google Maps. For example, you can select another voice like English UK or English United States. Okay, and you can also change the language here. If you scroll down, you can change the language also. Then in here, you can choose the volume you want. You want volume to be softer or louder. If you want to be louder, just select louder like this. And in here, also there is another option if you want to enable or disable like this. You can test the sound by clicking this.
Your destination will be on the right.
Okay, and that's all tutorial how to change voice on Google Maps. Hope this video helpful for you.